रिप्रोड्यूस हो सकता है। अंडरस्टूड? सी क्रोमोसोम्स डेफिनेशन, यू कैन गेट द डेफिनेशन फ्रॉम हियर। नाउ क्रोमोसोम्स का नाम क्रोमोसोम आखिर रखा है क्यों है, विल स्टडी अबाउट दैट। क्रोमो मतलब, नाउ ब्रेक दिस वर्ड, ओके। क्रोमो मतलब होता है कलर्ड और जोम्स मतलब होता है बॉडी। अंडरस्टूड? तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, कलर्ड बॉडी। इसका मतलब ये है व्हेन वी पुट सम डाइंस मीन्स कलर्स, when we put some colors, some specific chemical in the cell, it will pick up color easily and it will become colorful. That's why it is known as chromosome. So it may ask that what is the meaning of the chromosomes, means colored body, it picks the colors very easily. So now see the structure and the structure of the chromosomes. So say this is the structure of the chromosomes before it duplicates. During the cell division you will see that these chromosomes will duplicate. Understood? सो यू कैन सी, अब इसका पार्ट को जान लो, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज क्रोमेटिड। ये वाला भी क्रोमेटिड, वो वाला भी क्रोमेटिड। अब बीच यू कैन सी द कंस्ट्रिक्टेड रीजन ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम, दिस आर नोन एज सेंट्रोमियर और प्राइमरी कंस्ट्रिक्शन। यू बेसिकली दिस इज नोन एज सेंट्रोमियर, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and we will know the function of the centromere later on. So during the cell division what happens, these chromosomes get splits and gets duplicated. So during the duplicated it will look like this. See, अब इसका नाम क्या चेंज होके हो जाए, पहले क्रोमेटिड था, अब सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड इसको बोलेंगे, इसको भी सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड बोलेंगे, बट दिस सेंट्रोमियर नेम विल नॉट चेंज, इट विल रिमेन सेम सेंट्रोमियर. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द chromosomes before duplication. When it will duplicate during the cell division it will look like this. Understood? Moving further, so what is the function of the centromere? I have told you this the primary constricted region of the chromosomes are known as centromere. So see, so it provides movement to the centromere during the cell division. जब सेल डिवीजन होगा तब ये क्या करेगा, इस क्रोमोसोम्स का मूवमेंट इधर से उधर जाने के लिए हेल्प करेगा. आई हैव रिटन द सेंट्रोमियर्स फंक्शंस. अब कैसे होगा वो हम बताएंगे आगे, वो फील करवा देंगे आगे जाके, ठीक है. सी सेंट्रोमियर ऑल्सो सर्व्स टू अटैच द स्पिंडल फाइबर्स ड्यूरिंग द सेल डिवीजन. ओके, ये क्या करता है, स्पिंडल फाइबर जब अराइज होता है सेल डिवीजन के दौरान तो क्या करता है, सेंट्रोमियर उससे क्या करता है, अटैच होकर इसको पकड़ के रखता है और उसको मूवमेंट प्रोवाइड करता है. ओके, द मेन फंक्शन इज दैट इट हेल्प इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम ड्यूरिंग द सेल डिवीजन. Okay, understood? Now we will study about genes. Okay, so what is gene? This is a very important topic. Genes are the specific DNA segments of the chromosomes that encode or makes particular proteins and determine the hereditary character. अब see, now you try to understand one more thing. अब ये DNA you saw one, wait, this DNA you saw that DNA, ये DNA कहाँ पाया जाता है, ये DNA पाया जाता है क्रोमोसोम में. अंडरस्टूड? ये डीएनए पूरा कहाँ पाया जाता है, क्रोमोसोम में. अब व्हेन यू विल कम टू जीन्स, जीन कहाँ पर पाया जाता है, जीन पाया जाता है इस डीएनए में, यानी कि जीन्स पाया जाता है डीएनए में और डीएनए पाया जाता है क्रोमोसोम्स में. अंडरस्टूड? सो व्हाट इज, हाउ कैन यू डिफाइन व्हाट इज जीन्स? द जीन्स आर द स्पेसिफिक सेगमेंट या स्पेसिफिक, ये जो है यू कैन सी दिस एंटायर डीएनए, लेकिन इसमें से कुछ एरिया में क्या होता है कि प्रोटीन बनता है. ऐसा नहीं कि हर एक पार्ट ऑफ द डीएनए ये प्रोटीन बनाएगा, लेकिन कुछ कुछ ऐसा एरिया है जो प्रोटीन बनाते हैं. तो उसी एरिया को जो प्रोटीन बनाता है, उसी एरिया को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, जीन्स बोलते हैं. और वो क्या करता है, ये जीन जो है वो हेरिडिटरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स भी, कैरेक्टर्स भी क्या करता है, डिटरमाइन करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ अ पेरेंट इज देयर एंड ही हैज़ अ ब्लैक हेयर, देन हिज अपकमिंग जनरेशंस, हिज सन्स और डॉटर विल हैव ब्लैक हेयर. So this is called hereditary characters. Understood? So genes are the specific DNA segment, यानी कि DNA के एरिया, उस स्पेसिफिक DNA का एरिया है of chromosome that encode or make particular protein and determine hereditary character. One very important thing, unit of inheritance gene ही है. Is very important question. What is the unit of inheritance? यानी कि छोटा For example, unit of what is the unit of body? Okay, you can say the cell are another unit of living organism. Like that, unit of inheritance क्या है? Genes है. Passed from cell to cell, passed from generation to generation. Understood? So you understood what is chromosomes. If you have any doubt, you can put into the comment. Okay, I will clarify. Now moving to the next part. See, these are building your base. We are going to mitotic, meiosis. So this will build your base. If you don't understand this, you won't be able to comprehend the other part. All right, moving to the next part. See, cell division. Cell division is very important, a part of living organism. Without cell division, nothing will happen. So first of all, if it is asked in the examination that what is the need of cell division, first of all you must know the need. Okay, so see, first of all, growth, we need growth. Organisms, see, organisms begins life from single cell. You have studied in class 9th, that is also known as zygote. So after zygote, what it form? It form cluster of tissue. After tissue, it will form organ, then organ system, then the organism. So if cell will not divide, organism will not form. As simple as that. Understood? Okay, then reproduction. So during asexual in unicellular organisms such as the amoeba cells, see, one cell will divide into two daughter cell. Why it is happening? Because of the division of the cell. If the division of the cell will not happen, then no new organism will be produced. So this is the second need of the new cells. Now the replacement. We many a times what happens? We get hurt, so our cell gets torn from there, or it get in that area our cell died, so we need to replace that cell. So repair is required. Understood? And replacement also, you know that our RBC, red blood cell, okay, died continuously after 120 days. So there also we need what? Cell division. If cell will not divide, RBC won't be replaced, and if it won't be replaced, then it will cause problem to our body. Understood? So these are the needs of cell division. We need cell division for this purposes. What? So you can see I have made a trick. 3RG means 3R, R for reproduction, R for replacement, R for repair, and G for growth. See, and out of 4 you can remember any 3. ये कोई लर्न रखने का कोई ये नहीं है कि नहीं रख पाएंगे. This is very simple as that. Growth, reproduction, replacement, and repair. Okay, I hope that you understood this part. Now we will move to the important part of this chapter, that is the cell cycle and the cell division. This is very important part, and questions comes from here only. So now let's start with the cell cycle. Okay, so see, I am giving the definition of each and every topic. If you understand, it's all right, but you have to write in your paper also. You won't be able to write in there in any other language except English. So that's why I am providing definition to each and every topic, so that you can learn it. Okay, and this all are based on the text of ICSE. You don't have to worry. Okay, so what is cell cycle? A series of event that takes place in a cell leading to the duplication of DNA and subsequent division of the cells to produce two daughter cell. अब समझाते हैं. अब क्या होगा? एक सेल से दूसरा सेल डिवीजन होगा, यानी कि सेल डिवीजन होगा तब तो ग्रोथ होगा, तब तो रिप्रोड्यूस होगा न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो जितना इवेंट इस सेल डिवीजन से लेकर के एक सेल है फिर दूसरा सेल बनेगा, इस सब प्रक्रिया को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? सेल डिवीजन. सो अंडरस्टूड? जितना उसका इवेंट है या जितना प्रक्रिया है जो एक सेल से दूसरा सेल दे देगा हमको, उसको सेल साइकिल बोलेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? तो सेल साइकिल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू बेसिकली 2 पार्ट्स, इंटरफेस एंड एम फेज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट स्टडी अबाउट द इंटरफेस. ओके, इसमें क्या होता है? सेल डिवाइड नहीं होता है इंटरफेस में. इसमें क्या होता है? प्रिपेयर होता है. If you are doing something, you must prepare first, then you will take action. You will plan all the things, then you will take action. Similarly, the cell is preparing here. It is a non-dividing, it is also called non-dividing phase or preparatory phase. Okay, it is say no change in the chromosome is visible, thus called resting phase. This is, say, this interface has got many names: non-dividing phase, preparatory phase, resting phase. Why resting phase? Because you won't be able to see any change in the chromosome. Understood? So this interface is further divided into 3 phase. Understood? This interface is further divided into 3 phase: G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. Let's see what is G1 phase. This G1 phase means first growth phase. Okay, so RNA and protein are synthesized. So what will happen in this phase, G1 phase, more RNA and proteins are synthesized. Since the cell need more protein, so what will happen in G1 phase, it will synthesize more protein, and the cytoplasm will, the volume of the cytoplasm will increase. ये क्या होगा, साइटोप्लाज्म का वॉल्यूम जो है ये क्या होगा, इंक्रीज होगा किसमें, G1 फेज में. अंडरस्टूड. तो maximum growth of the cell will take in this phase only, G1 phase. And note one thing, does not involve duplication of DNA will not duplicate in this phase, G1 phase. This is important. DNA will duplicate or replicate in in S phase. S is known as synthesis phase. What will happen, DNA will replicate and chromosomes will duplicate in this phase. Okay, now coming to the G2 phase, second growth phase. So what will happen in this, the cell need more energy, more protein. So what it will do, it will synthesize more protein and cell will grow more in size. And what will happen, this is a G2 phase. This will prepare the cell for the M phase. This will prepare the cell for M phase. Understood. So interphase is divided into three parts, G1, S and G2 phase. I have explained all this. If you will read only, you will get it. And if see, you can make notes so that you can keep it for revision during the examination time. Okay, you can make a similar notes in your copy. Now let's get started with M phase. What is M phase, we will study in detail. See, M phase are of two type. Okay, mitosis and meiosis. We will study these two phase in detail, but mitosis we will study properly and in detail, because meiosis, some of the syllabus are reduced from this meiosis. Okay, so what is meiosis? Meiosis is a phenomenon. What will happen, one parent cell will divide into two daughter cell. Clear? One parent cell will divide into two daughter cell. See, this mitosis is further has two category, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. See, step by step we will get, and if you will see this flowchart properly, you won't be able to forget. Okay, so mitosis, what is mitosis? One parent cell divided into two daughter cell, and it has two further division, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. कार्यो का मतलब होता है न्यूक्लियस. ओके, कार्यो का मतलब होता है न्यूक्लियस, मीन्स डिवीजन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस विल टेक प्लेस. एंड साइटो, वर्ड ही बोल रहा है कि साइटोप्लाज्म, पहले न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड होगा, उसके बाद क्या होगा, साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड होगा. Understood? See, this karyokinesis has got further 4 division. Okay, this is very easy. I will explain you in very easy language. Okay, and I will give you trick also how to remember. तो ये karyokinesis क्या है? कार्यो मतलब, you understood? Let me take the pencil. कार्यो means nucleus. तो कार्यो division of the nucleus. I have written also division of the nucleus, and cyto means cytoplasm, division of the cytoplasm. Okay, see, this karyokinesis is divided into 4 phase: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Okay, I will give you a trick to remember it. First of all, let's see the structure and the division of the each. So these are the phases of the cell division. Which cell division? Mitosis. Okay, so you can see the interphase is here, prophase is here, metaphase is here, anaphase is here. We will go in detail one by one, but let me give you a trick to remember all the phase in a very short period of time, and you will keep it, and it will be in your memory for a long period of time. I know that. You can see properly. All right, see, ये क्या होगा पहले. See, these are in the sequence way. पहले प्रोफेज आएगा, फिर मेटाफेज आएगा, फिर एनाफेज आएगा, फिर टेलोफेज आएगा. तो पहले देखते हैं. सो यू कैन सी द वर्ड मार्क विद द रेड. यहीं से निमोनिक बनाएंगे हम लोग. PMAT, पी से हो गया PM, ठीक है. PM, पी से हो गया प्रोफेज, M से हो गया मेटाफेज, और ए एनाफेज, ए का इसका पहला लेंगे तो A अंकित, PM अंकित, C एंड टिलोफेज, टी का पहला लेंगे यहाँ पर तोतला. तो क्या हो गया? PM अंकित तोतला. इफ़ यू हैव योर नेम अंकित, प्लीज़ don't feel bad, because it is for learning only. Okay, all right, don't take it to heart. So this is PM Ankit.